when the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case. I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I go black and blue, I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love.
Hey, kumusta mga taga TBGDH? Me, congrats. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. Labi na sa imong health. Hinihinay na ukaw ng tambok. Baboy. Kailabaw ko kasi ginagawa kana karon kay despedida na nimo. Kita gyud namo nga dako ang kausaban sa ospital ang TBGDH. Kita-kita ra tapuhon. Then we love you. Regards tanan. Ayo-ayo mo diha mga taga TBGDH. Bye.
Assalamualaikum. TBGDH, I miss you. Doc Winnie, kamusta? Daghang salamat kayo sa imong tabang o suporta ka na mo. Maskin usahay biyagon ng mga nurses, pero ang among respeto kanimo taas kid gihapon and sa lindon nimo. And karon Dok, amo ana pod nga time na kami na sa nimo suporta kanimo kung whatever career ang mo hanap pod nga pilion, and narami ka po na eh. Daghan kayo salamat, Dok.
And on the highway of regret, the winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Hi, Dr. Winnie. Good morning. On behalf of the TBGDH family, the morning shift would like to greet you. Happy birthday!